So hello everyone, welcome to the channel Moro Insane. I hope all of you are doing fine. So today I'm riding to the Shambazar area. We'll be going to the Ghat probably. If you go there, I'll definitely show you the glimpses of the Ghat. It must look good during the sunset time. So I'm gonna meet up with some of my friends after a long time. It's been really long since I've met them. The first time after lockdown actually. So yeah, it's gonna be nice. Two of my friends are coming, that's what I know for sure. I'm going to Deeproop's place, and I guess Chandan will also be coming. That's about it, let's go. Alright, let's get some fuel. Stupid AF. This camera gets a lot of attention, guys. Everyone just keeps on staring. Well, the concept of motovlogging is definitely new in my area, in this part of the Kolkata, if not all of Kolkata. It's funny sometimes. All right, we are all gassed up. Now let's head towards Shambazar. First, to pick up one of my friend, and then we'll head to my friend's house. So as you guys know, last time I went to Chandni Chowk, I got fined by the cops. So that was a good thumbnail though, but still it was still a waste of money. I was just talking to my friend, and all of a sudden I just jumped the signal. It was my fault though, but shit happens. Google Maps is showing 44 minutes. Let's see how accurate Google Maps is. Or can we beat Google Maps? Let's see. we gotta take a right turn and head over to the bypass. "38 more minutes to go." Ah, the sky looks perfect. Comment down below how the sky is. Also guys, I need you to comment down below if my voice quality is improved. As I told you guys in the earlier vlog that I have got a Boya M1 mic as well as a media mod. Since many of you guys were complaining about the audio quality in my videos, so now I think it's good. It should work fine because I have set it up all properly. So I will really appreciate it if you comment down below and leave your feedback as to how the voice quality is right now. The exhaust on the RTR 200 never gets tiring. It's just a symphony in my ears. Yeah, Kolkata Metro, constructing since the 1800s, will be completed by the 22nd century for sure. Not before that. Back when I was in college in Heritage, all of our friends used to say that maybe in the third year we'll be able to commute to college by metro. Done with bachelors, done with masters, the metro is still not complete. That's just so funny, man. Damn, it looks like it's been raining over here. I don't even have a raincoat with me. Hopefully it won't rain anymore, else I'll be in trouble. And that's another problem with the GoPro. Let me tell you that the GoPro is waterproof up to 30 meters. So in no way it's gonna be affected by rain, but once you add on the media mod, it's no longer waterproof anymore. Just see. How ridiculous does that sound? You buy a GoPro for 35k bucks, then you add another 6,000 rupees to it, and then it's no longer waterproof. Come on, man. Capitalism. And we are about to reach Science City. And this is one of the most beautiful parts of the city, actually. Human development over here. This building I got lucky. Looks like it has just stopped raining over here. People are still standing on the side of the road. I don't even have a raincoat with me. Thank God. Just now a bus literally just splashed me all over, man. Just pathetic. I don't know how these plain roads get flooded so much. Also, there's something I would like to tell you guys. So today I'm shooting this vlog in 1080p 60. Previously I was shooting in 4K 30 FPS. So I found out that most of the bigger YouTubers with even more than 1 million followers also put out videos at 1080p. So I figured, why bother editing cumbersome 4K videos? It also takes a lot of time to render those videos. So for me, I didn't see any visible difference in the quality of the videos. You can only see it if you have a 4K display. If you're watching my videos in a 4K display, I don't think most Indians have a 4K display in their houses. So from now on, I'll be shooting in 1080p 60. Comment down below if you like the quality. Okay. All right, stuck in the rain now. I'm waiting under this metro station for the rain to subside. Just as I said that I was lucky that I didn't get rain, and it started pouring like anything. I have to take the left from there, but I don't want to risk it. I'll wait over here for a while. All right. Looks like it has stopped raining. Oh, अच्छा अच्छा पेज पे. All right.
মাছ তো চলছে নাকি?
হ্যাঁ
এটা তিথি ভাই, এটা অনেক
হাই
চলছে।
হ্যাঁ
কোন চলছে?
হ্যাঁ তোদেরকে ব্লগে ডালবো।
অতুলনীয়।
এই তো, you're in my vlog, bitch.
রেকর্ড হচ্ছে।
that's about it for today. I have reached almost near Rajpur, so it's a few kilometers from here. I'll be home in a couple of minutes. So that was a daily vlog for you guys, a day and night vlog. I showed you glimpses of the city. Hope you liked it. Comment down below if you guys want me to do such kind of daily vlogs. Some of you have already been saying in the comments to do daily vlogs like this, so I tried it out today. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe to Moro Insane on YouTube. Till then, bye bye.